Hi, I'm Abby Grajek, Vehicle Integration Engineer for the Ford Maverick. We're going to go over the Pro Trailer Hitch Assist and Pro Trailer Backup Assist features. Oh, so first we're going to pull up a little bit to get into position to try the Hitch Assist feature. We're going to push that button to initiate the system. You're going to hit no, because we don't have a trailer selected, so it knows to go into Hitch Assist. The circle's going to pop up, and we're just going to back up a little bit to where the hitch is in the middle of that circle.
And this is using the camera for reverse normally?
So it's using the camera. It's also using a little bit of the radars to, you know, indicate if you're gonna, if it feels like you might hit something, it's gonna stop you. So it kind of uses also accelerometer to know like how fast you're moving. Because this actually, you'll see, we're gonna go into neutral now.
But how does it identify the trailer and the actual hitch?
So it's using the camera to see the hitch right now.
So we back up, you said again?
Yep, so we're gonna go into neutral, and you're gonna take your foot off of the brake, and you're gonna take your hand off of the steering wheel, and you're just gonna hold down that button until it gets closer to the hitch, and then it's gonna ask you if the hitch is high enough, and we'll just click yes. And but yeah, for now, it's doing everything itself. It's showing it that way, but you'll see. Okay, so you're gonna say it's appropriate. We know it's high enough. And then you're gonna hold it down again until it stops.
Wow.
Yep, so now let's go check it out.
So, tailoring for dummies, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Tailoring for dummies. There you go.
Oh, wow. Pretty precise.
Yep.
So now we lower it?
So now we lower it down. Do you want me to do it, or you got it?
This is the hardest part of the process.
This is the hardest part of the process, right? Actually hooking it up. Okay.
That's it.
So we're gonna take this out, clamp this down.
Is this part of the system? What is that?
So this is our calibration sticker, and it's how the camera recognizes the trailer dynamics. So before we do the backup assist, we've already calibrated this trailer.
Truck comes with a sticker?
Yeah, the truck will come with stickers. Okay. You can probably get them easily from a dealership.
Okay.
So yeah, when you calibrate, it's gonna tell you should be in a nice open space, because it's going to give you like, hey, you need to make a complete right turn to get the full angle of movement, and then it'll go the other way. So that's essentially, you're showing the dynamics of the type of trailer you have, like because the weight and the length will make a big difference in the dynamics.
Yeah, remind us about the capacity, towing capacity.
So the Lobo that we're in right now is only 2,000 pounds towing.
Okay.
But we do offer a 4,000 pounds towing on the hybrid all-wheel drive, and the other 2.0 liter base.
And how do you make the capacity double? Is it software, or it's like a special equipment, or what is it?
Well, so in like the hybrid and the 2 liter, we do upgrade the cooling pack. Okay. Because when you're maybe on a more stressful towing situation, it's really taxing on the motor. So we need a higher cooling performance, so it doesn't overheat any of the modules in the motor. There's nothing completely extra. The structure is sound. We do include the 7-pin connector for the 4,000 pounds, because that's a requirement in many states, and so that's also part of the package. But for Lobo and Tremor, we keep the towing lower, because the stiffness and the tuning is more tailored
for trailer. Tailored for trailer.
Tailored for trailering. But like the Tremor's, a bit softer ride for off-road purposes. Okay. Lobo is tuned for on-road. So we're only at the 2,000 pounds towing here, just because we want the dynamics and experiences to be robust, built for it tough.
So now we have everything set up.
Yep. So we have everything set up.
The calibration. I'm sorry. How is that process? You just put the sticker, you put the camera, and that's it?
Yeah. So you go into. So right now.
You already did it on this one.
Of that. So you have set. That's the trailer that we have. But this is the kind of the trailer settings.
Okay.
So that's where you would set You know, we have multiple trailer names.
Okay.
We set the length, the width, the weight.
So you input all the information?
You input all that information when you're also calibrating.
Oh, okay.
Yep. But then once you've calibrated, it's in the system. You never have to do it again.
Okay.
Yeah. So do you want to get started with the backup?
I don't know. You trust me? Or you trust the system?
So. I trust the system. Well, you do have to modulate the speed for this.
Oh, okay. So maybe you don't trust me.
I got my seatbelt on.
Okay.
So I'm ready to go. So you'll go back into the Pro Trailer button.
Just push it?
Yep.
Hold it or not?
No, you don't have to hold it. So now it's going to detect your trailer.
Oh, and I see the sticker there. It's looking at it.
Sticker's there. So it's finding.
It's thinking.
It's thinking. So in this feature, you're going to modulate your speed, but you're going to steer with the knob only. And you're going to steer the knob where you want the trailer to go. Simple enough?
No. It's counterintuitive, right?
Yes. It's counter to how you would steer with the steering wheel.
Okay. So
let me set up. There's a really nice camera mode here, so you can see around you. It kind of acts like your rear mirrors.
We're going between those
so you
two
can
cones?
either, that's kind of our target. So yeah, so let's just play around.
Put it in reverse?
You can go in reverse, yep. Yeah, so if we had more space, it's fun. If you take if we're in the angle that, to be in the parking spot, but we're in this direction with the vehicle. If we had more space, if you actually kept your hand off of the dial, it would back you up, it would straighten you out without any input.
Okay.
So you can see how it's kind of doing that now. But yeah, it's easy peasy.